A long story.
The name of the game is Limbo. So we went limbo underneath the thing and then we carry it down, yeah, and carry it down and carry it down and carry it down. Sykes. The name of the game is the Photo Memory Timeline. Our challenge today, folks, Dooley, is to work together to arrange pictures of our time here on set throughout this year by order of the month. I don't have any. One to them I can't remember what happened yesterday morning. So I must take up this picture and we both must decide which month.
Wait, so, but we have to look at all of them together. Yeah.
We look at all them one time.
That is when we're out in the sun. Oh my God.
Hold on. I remember this. This was
in
summer
June or
outside.
July.
So, no, I won't tell you when.
Go on then.
This is June.
Hold on a minute. You're not working with the program. This was just with it. So this is December.
June?
Come, catch down yourself.
Catch down here, sir. This is December. We're going
That
to
was
catch.
December.
You look like you're crazy in that one. In that picture.
Yes, I know.
So
this was when was
January,
Wakanda?
February,
When was
March,
Wakanda thing
April,
again?
May, June. When was what?
Wakanda.
I have no idea. Who is Wakanda?
When did that movie come out?
Who named Wakanda?
You know when this is? Was that March?
This
Black
is
Panther was March?
World Cup done July. World Cup done late July, you know. So this probably never done till August. Don't? It wasn't right after the World Cup you did do it.
It sure was.
Right after the World Cup?
It was.
I feel it wrong. Clothespin, no? Why are we using a clothespin? It's a picture.
And this is before World Cup because we were trying to make it look like
Wait, no, can't
Neymar.
Wait, no. So this one,
Was
wait, so
after
July or
World Cup.
August?
I don't know.
July. Spandaloo said July. By the way,
When did World Cup finish?
July.
July when?
About the 19th. And it was like the second Friday after the World Cup we did it. August. It's not July.
I bet you. All right, go on then.
This something by the time we put up all the picture, it will be touching the ground.
Him.
Wait, now when you use my head, hold on now, almost I could zoom out that picture, but you can't zoom it out yourself.
I know,
Right
but
up
I
the
was
star.
trying to look goodly. Still here. Oh man. That was when Black Panther came out.
This was when Anaconda. Wait there. Wakanda. Wait there. Wait there. Oh, Black Panther. All right.
Anaconda was a different movie also. When was Black Panther, Jody? Help no? When was Black Panther in London? Come, March. Put this in March. Here.
Vietnam, January,
Him.
February, March.
Gosh of grace, and this is our difficult.
Kadeen. What kind of right so far? Give me a hit now.
Okay, these kids came on when... These were GSAT kids? These were GSAT top achievers, weren't they?
No, man.
Who were they?
Remember when they become... This is something about...
Oh, we're talking to kids about how they
Yes,
feel
man.
about different issues.
Yeah, this wasn't GSAT thing.
That was in the summer too. Remember? Why can't
What
you?
is this? When is this?
I don't know.
Then
when this-
you're not supposed to remember.
I don't remember this.
Boy, you
I
don't
don't remember this. This could be any day of any week of any year.
This one is November.
I had in braids, but when did I have in braids? I don't remember. London, I can't remember yesterday. I don't remember
Picture pin.
when I had in
Picture
braids.
pin.
A picture pin here. Here.
Oh, thank you. This is
When was Barnsley? When did Gleaner do this again? When was Chris here? Oh dear.
I know these things. This one is what we did win. Why we're going on like this?
That was recently for
Why we're going on like this? What we did
It was
win?
a Feel Good Friday and Jody wanted us to wake up. And that was recently, so this could have been, I would have said that would.
That is not recent. I
I'm
can't.
telling you it was recently. It was like October.
When is Child Month?
No, May, but there
That
was
is
a,
when that come up. This one here, Child Month. Bet.
here.
So January, February, March, April, May. So shoot down.
I thought she said this. Okay.
Where this one? This is summer.
Jeez, I'm crying. These pin down doing so well holding these pictures.
When you say, well, we didn't, we jump up and make noise in this
It
one.
was afraid. It was
Jody,
on
you're
a
just the
date.
worst. Help us now. Where you gone?
I'm going down to October.
Actually, I think this is October, you know.
This is recent too.
Yeah, but I think this is October. That is October.
This was
I know.
after this.
Remember?
When did I have in braids? When was I wearing braids?
Bunny ears a year a while ago is before yellow pants. Me just tell you that, you know? And you don't listen to me?
Then why you don't go change it?
Because we're working together.
So why you don't go change it?
I tell you that a while ago. I know you make it look like them helping me and I never need to know it because I
Bunny
said it.
ears is before yellow pants?
I just heard that in my earpiece. Yellow pants.
Really?
Who don't call yellow pants? Summer, this is you.
Is it them?
This is you. When is this?
Oh. Why is that me?
We made it
Let's say it's a bunny rabbit. So let's say it was Easter.
Easter. All right. So Easter when? February? March? When is Easter? April? February?
Which Easter?
March. January, February. But we have sitting in March already. We have Anaconda in March. No.
My God.
Remember, Anaconda was Black History Month. When is Black History Month?
February.
So January, Anaconda, come up here. So,
Here.
and this Easter is when now? March. So March is here. So what is January? By the way, every month take up? That in? All right, then that means
Okay, when was Luton diagnosed with ALS? Because this star headline is Luton's wife speaks.
Well, we have a whole space inside that we need to fill up, you know. So we don't have January, February, March, April. No. February, January, February, March. When was Child Month? So we need something for April, summer. Them say the time
Wait
down.
now. So put this up before. Put this up before.
Gleaner is January, she said.
Is it?
Well, it's you know. I don't know what I'm to remember. I'm buying you some spirulina for New Year.
Ginkgo biloba.
Yeah?
When
Well,
is this? We're looking. January.
Yeah, no, January we have. We get
February,
Anaconda
March.
right. We get March right. Oh, Sammy Rooney Tooney, we didn't. So what was this about?
April,
Then
Then Chris.
Child Month. Come up, no change it now. Child Month we have. No.
Hold on.
Child
May.
Month. Child Month and
January,
then
February, March, April, May.
and then this. Child Month, then this one.
June.
No.
See, I told you June was right. That was before World Cup when we were trying to make it look like May, March.
And then
July.
yeah.
August.
This is August. Yeah, I should have known, you know why I
Just
should have
put
known
it up
because,
now, make it-
because my ear cut off already, man. I should have known
You're
that.
growing back.
Yeah, man.
All right, September. Oh. October.
I was right.
What's November? We never do too bad.
We were brilliant, actually.
Jesus fuck.
Well, we weren't that brilliant. But you see, again, you know,
I was
again,
trying-
folks do it. If they listen to
I
me,
was
because
trying
said,
to move this picture down on the line, like on a regular
I
line.
said
but
it
this
was
line-
going there. Rumba under the thing. Rumba, not rumba, limbo.
Limbo, Roomba, Anaconda. I'm just over you
Summer,
this morning.
summer.
Forget it.
Yeah. Sips and tips, we're coming. Rumba, limbo, no. Come on.